Hi, do you wish to start your backbend journey and don't know where to begin? Then this video is for you. Today we are practicing 5 backbending poses for beginners. Let's start. The first pose we are practicing is Bhujang-asana. Lie down on your stomach. Place your hands by the sides of the chest. Feet and legs almost together, toes turned backwards. Breathe in, push the floor. Lift yourself up, bending with your lower back. Push the chest forward, roll the shoulders backwards. Push the pelvis, thighs and feet on the mat. Arms close to the body, elbows bent backwards. Breathe in, look up. Hold the position for a few breaths. Breathe out and relax. The second pose we are practicing is Dhanur-asana, bow pose. Lie down on your stomach. Feet a little apart. Bend your knees. Hold your ankles. Keep your feet together if possible. Breathe in and stretch up. Lift your thighs off the floor. Chest off the floor. Roll the shoulders backwards. If you find it difficult to keep the feet together, you can keep them apart. Hold the position. Take a few deep breaths. Pull your shoulder blades down. And relax. The third pose we are practicing is Ustrasana. Come up on your knees. Knees and feet hip distance apart. Breathe in, roll your shoulders backwards. Push the chest forward. Let your head hang easy. Engage the thigh muscles and hip muscles and take your hands on the heels. Keep stretching. Hold the position for a few breaths. Do not lean backwards. Keep pushing forward. And slowly come back, hold your back and relax in Vajrasana. If you need, you can go in child's pose. The fourth pose we are practicing is Setuband Sarvangasana or bridge pose. Lie down on your back, bend the knees. Keep the knees and feet hip distance apart. Try and hold your ankles if you can. Breathe in, push your hips up. Roll your shoulders backwards. Bring your chest to your chin. Keep pushing upwards. Engage the hip and thigh muscles. Hold the position for a few breaths. And relax. If you want, you can come in Pavan Muktasana. The fifth pose we are practicing is Urdhva Dhanur-asana or Chakrasana, also called wheel pose in English. Place your feet hip distance apart, a little away from the hips. Bend your arms. Place your hands behind your shoulders, elbows pointing upwards. Breathe in, push your hips up. Lift yourself up, pushing the floor. Turn your head backwards and place your head on the mat. Bring your hands a little closer. Push the floor and lift yourself up. Push the chest upward and forward towards your arms. Try and stretch your arms. Engage your hip muscles and thigh muscles. Keep lifting your chest up. Hold the position for a few breaths. Relax. If you wish, you can take Pavanmuktasana to relax your spine. As a beginner, when you start practicing these backbending poses, repeat each pose 3 to 4 times, holding each rep for at least 20 seconds. If you find any discomfort or strain in your spine, rest in child's pose. For best results, repeat this sequence twice or thrice a week. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.